guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have got this leaf I got at the Dollar Tree. I think I'm just going to do a bloom with some beaver dust colors that I've got out here. There might be one or two custom, I don't know. A lot of them are neons, but I think I'm just going to do a bloom. I left some pillow paint on it because I wanted it to spread without hopefully getting the cells too wonky. So I left a bit of a pillow on there. But I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you. Say what you wanna say to me. I don't need your sympathy. I just need to let you go. Heartache, 'cause what doesn't bend will break. What is keeping me awake is the fact that you moved on. So when I see you there with what's your name, and the memories come back to me, I just turn my back and put them all away. 'Cause that would be great. I'll move on. say to me, I just want you to leave so I can get you off my mind. We just weren't meant to be. I'm glad you set me free, and now I'm leaving you behind. 'Cause I'll be okay, 'cause I'll be great.
Guys, I am going to bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think she turned out really pretty. I'm happy with it. Sorry, my focus phone. My phone's full of videos, so it's kind of acting stupid, but I really like it. I think the cells turned out really cool. All in all, I think the colors are really pretty, and I like it. Alright guys, that's it for me today. I hope you guys have a great day or great night wherever you are, and don't forget, we have our big Fluid Art Express Halloween special starting Sunday at 5 o'clock Eastern for us, and of course Monday morning for you Australians. So don't miss it. We have an amazing collab, amazing lineup of artists. They're just incredible, and we're going to have tons of fun. So I hope to see you all there. Love you guys. Have a great day or great night, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.